Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for gym service. So here, I am promoting my business of fitness coaching center with the help of IndiaMART. And my objective is that every time I am going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry for my gym services with the help of IndiaMART, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same person, to that same lead, so that I will be able to connect with these leads effectively and easily. To automate this entire process, I will have to build the connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp. For sending the WhatsApp messages over here instantly, I am going to use Pabbly chat flow. So here I am going to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly chat flow without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages to all our IndiaMART leads for gym services. So here I am running a fitness center and gym services, and I am promoting my business and my services with the help of IndiaMART, that you know is an amazing B2B marketplace of India. So here I want that as soon as I am going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMART for my services which I am providing, automatically an instant WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead along with their own name, that is in the personalized format. For sending the WhatsApp messages, here I am going to use Pabbly chat flow, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly that helps us to enhance the conversations with our leads, customers, employees, or everybody with ease with the help of specific customized templates. So here I have created a template, and by using that template in the personalized format, I am going to send the messages to each of my IndiaMART leads. In this way, I will be able to effectively communicate with the leads, will be able to solve their queries and provide them the offers related to my services to convert them into payable customers. To automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads with the help of Pabbly chat flow, I will have to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly chat flow. To build this connection, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills, because we are going to set up this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect, that is an amazing automation and integration software. So let's get started quickly. We are currently on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for gym service. After giving the name to my workflow, then I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create currently is for managing my IndiaMART leads. So automations for IndiaMART leads will be my folder. Then let's click on create. And as we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. You can see we have trigger and actions over here. Now what are trigger and actions? So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here, the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMART for gym services, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead in the personalized format with the help of Pabbly chat flow. So here for that, I'm going to take IndiaMART in trigger and Pabbly chat flow in our action step. When we will set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMART, then only a message will be sent to that lead with the help of Pabbly chat flow, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as IndiaMART. So let's select it quickly. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now, on the happening of which event in IndiaMART you want to capture your response. So I want that every time a new lead will be received in IndiaMART, the response should be captured, and with that response, instantly the workflow should start. So here we have selected IndiaMART as our trigger application and new leads as our trigger event. Now, here we have to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. How we are going to build that connection? You can see we have already received a webhook URL for that. And also we have received some instructions. So basically we have to follow the given instructions step by step carefully to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. And that we are going to do with the help of the webhook URL. By following the given instructions, we will insert the webhook URL inside our IndiaMART account. So then it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new leads from IndiaMART towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I'm going to take you towards my IndiaMART account. After coming over here from the left side, here we have to go towards lead manager. After coming on lead manager, you will see the option of 3 lines. That is the menu section. You have to select that. Then here we'll see the option of import export leads. So we have to select push API over here. After coming on push API integration, first of all, you can see I have an existing webhook over here, which I'm going to deactivate quickly. So I'm going to click on this deactivate API and on my registered phone number with IndiaMART, an OTP is sent. So I'm going to quickly enter the OTP over here to deactivate this webhook. After doing this, I'm going to quickly click on submit and here you can see that the webhook is deactivated. So now in front of you, I'm going to activate a new webhook. So we'll have to activate it. So for that, first of all, we have to select the source of the leads. You can select any of the source among these options. I'm going to currently select other. And now we have to provide the CRM platform name. Which platform you want to connect with IndiaMART. Currently, I'm connecting Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So I've selected that. And now in the field of webhook URL, we have to paste the URL which we have recently copied from Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, let's click on save details. And now we have to select one of the reason that why we are setting up this connection actually. So you can select any of the reason. I'm going to select a random reason and I'm going to click on generate OTP. As soon as we have done that, now the webhook is activated over here. It is set up successfully. This means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is built. So after building the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, when we'll come back towards Pabbly Connect, it is showing waiting for webhook response. As we have set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, now we have to capture the response of the lead so that we can continue our integration. And we can send a WhatsApp message. Okay, so to capture the response, we have to generate a lead in IndiaMART. And to do that, I have already created a dummy profile. With the profile of that dummy lead, I am going to send a dummy inquiry for my gym service business in IndiaMART. And because I have created the profile, so all the details of the lead, that dummy lead, such as their name, email, phone number, etc., along with the inquiry is going to be. And also because IndiaMART is already connected with Pabbly Connect, so the details of that same lead is instantly going to capture in Pabbly Connect as well. So quickly I'm going to open the profile of that dummy lead in incognito mode. So here you can see that I have opened incognito mode. I've also searched the name of my business and now by clicking on this contact supplier, I am going to send a dummy inquiry. While creating the profile of this dummy lead, I have already entered the details such as name, email and phone number and other details. So now I do not have to enter the details again. I will just send the inquiry and all these details will be sent to the IndiaMART. So I'm going to click on contact supplier. Here I'm going to use some of the details over here and I'm going to directly enter the inquiry message. I'm interested in knowing the monthly package if there are any discounts for annual memberships. Please send me the details via WhatsApp. Now I'm going to click on next and here I'm going to submit this inquiry. As I've submitted the inquiry, it is saying thank you for posting. The details are sent to IndiaMART. So now I'm going to cross this and now I'm going to take you back towards my business and my IndiaMART account. And you can see that yes, here we have received the lead with the name as ABC Company. So this is the company name of the lead. And while creating that profile, I've given this company name. I'm going to open it and you can see that here we have received the exact inquiry message as well. I'm interested in knowing the monthly packages. And now as we have received the lead in IndiaMART, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and you can see that yes, the response is captured over here as well. In our response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the status of the lead, that is success. We have the unique query ID. We have a default subject, the state of the lead that we have entered while creating the profile. We have the name of the lead over here as well, smart lead. This is the name I have given to the dummy lead. And we have received all the details, phone number, email address, country code, the name of the company, city, state, and the date and time at which the lead is received. And also we have received the exact inquiry message. This means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now as we have set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, every time a new lead is going to receive through IndiaMART, the response of that lead along with their inquiries are going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect automatically. And now our objective is to send WhatsApp message to each of these leads. For that, we have to build the connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will go towards action step, and over here we will select Pabbly Chat Flow as our action application. And now we will select the action event. So what you want, I want to send a WhatsApp message. Therefore, we will select send curl request. Now let's click on connect. As we have done that, over here you can see that we have two options to build the connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect. I'm going to show you that how you can build a new connection, but if you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. To build a new connection, you have to keep in mind that you are already logged into your Pabbly Chat Flow account, and over here you will find the option of token. So you have to give a token over here. To get this token, you just have to go towards your Pabbly Chat Flow account and you will get it from there. But before that, I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Chat Flow. I will take you towards dashboard, and to connect Pabbly Chat Flow with Pabbly Connect and to use Pabbly Chat Flow for sending the messages, you will first have to set up your account. How you're going to do that? By adding a WhatsApp number and other details. So let's click on this add WhatsApp number button, and you have to enter access token, WhatsApp business account ID and phone number ID. You are going to get these details inside Meta for developers in WhatsApp Cloud API account. You have to first of all set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account for sending the WhatsApp messages legally, and when you will set up that account, you're going to receive these details. You will have to enter those details over here. And if you want to learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API account step by step, and to learn how to set up Pabbly Chat Flow account, we have created a tutorial video for both of these steps. You can go and watch it on our channel, and also I'm going to attach the video in the iBox as well, so you can go and watch it from there as well. I'm going to cross this, and here you can see we have the video link over here as well. So you have to first of all set up the account. I have already done that, so I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect. As I'm already logged into Pabbly Chat Flow, I'm going to directly click on this hyperlink, which is going to take me towards API and webhook page. So here is my API. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back and I will paste it over here quickly. Then we have to click on save. And as we have done that, the connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect is also built. So now we just have to move forward. We have to enter the body over here. That means the content of the message which you want to send. To receive the content, to enter that content, to enter the body, you will have to first of all create the template. I'm going to once again take you towards my Pabbly Chat Flow account now. I'm going to take you towards the template section, and we'll go towards template list. So here, these are all the templates I have created for different purposes. For sending the instant WhatsApp message to all my IndiaMART leads, this is the template which I have created, and this is the entire matter as you can see. So I want to use this template for sending the messages. You can see that here we have the content hello, and you can see I have used a variable as well over here. Variable is something which we use in templates to make the details dynamic. I want to keep the name of all my leads dynamic, so that with each and every new response, automatically the name should replace and a customized message should be sent to each of the lead. Therefore, I have used variable for the name. But you can use as many variables in your template as you want to change the details in multiple places. So once you will complete your template, it will be sent for approval. First of all, let me show you that how you have to create a new template. For that, let's click on this add new template button. You have to provide the category of your template. Let's say here I'm going to select marketing. You can give any name to your template according to the purpose. In lower characters or without space by using underscores. Let's say this is the name, a random name. Then you will select the language by using which you want to send the messages. So here I'm going to select, let's say, English. Then you will select the template type, whether it is text, image, video, or document. You will provide a header. Here will be the header line of your message, then the entire content along with the variable. Let's say like this. Hello. You will use two curly braces. You will give the number of the variable as it is first, so I have given 1, and then you will close the curly braces, and this will be your variable. Then you will provide the sample value, what value you want to be occur in this place of the variable. So here I have given, let's say, name. Then after entering all the details, after entering the content or the body of the message, you can also use the footer line. So you can add the footer line over here in the message. You can also use interactive actions like quick replies, etc. And then you will finally submit your template. When you will submit it, it will be sent for approval. And here you can see the preview of the message as well. We have the header line in bold. Okay, and in place of variable, here we have the name. So when the template will be approved, then you will be able to use it in order to send the messages. But To the approved template, you also have to link it with a broadcast. So I'm going to show you that how you have to link your template with a broadcast. From the left side, we'll go towards broadcast, and here you can see we have the option of add broadcast. So let's add a new broadcast over here. The type of the broadcast will be API campaign, and I'm going to give a name to the broadcast or to the campaign as Star Fitness Center. Okay, let's say this is the name of my fitness center, Star Fitness Center, just a random name. And now I'm going to link my template with this broadcast, that is IndiaMART leads. Here we have the template, it is already linked, and now I'm going to click on add broadcast. As we have added the broadcast, you can see that it is in live status. So we'll go towards test broadcast. Here you can see we have the URL. So let's copy the URL. This is the body of our message which we have to copy up till last. We have to move back towards Pabbly Connect and we have to paste it over here. And now we have to make certain changes in this body. So the template name will be same, the campaign name will be same. We have to change the destination. That means where you want to send the message. I want to send the message to the number which I have received through IndiaMART. So leads WhatsApp number will be over here in the place of destination. And because we have already received the details and the mobile number in our earlier response, instead of entering it manually, we will simply map it. So here you can see we have the number I'm going to select and it is mapped. When we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. Now in a similar manner, in username field also, I'm going to map the name of the lead. And now we have to enter the body parameters. That means the values for the variable. So here in the place of first name, because the variable which I have used is for the name only, I'm going to simply map the name of the lead. As I've mapped all these details, they have become dynamic, and with each and every new response, they will get replaced automatically in these fields. So that means whenever a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, automatically the number, the name of the lead, that means all the values which we want to replace are going to change. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages in the personalized format along with their name on the desired numbers. Now let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, you can see that the response is captured and it is saying true and accepted. That means the message is sent on the number which we have mapped. So now I'm going to quickly take you towards inbox of Pabbly Chat Flow. If you're using Pabbly Chat Flow for sending the messages, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web again and again, because it provides you an amazing feature of inbox management where you can manage all your received and sent messages. So let's go towards inbox quickly. And here we have the message which is sent, and it is delivered. Here you can see hello smart lead. The name of the lead is appeared over here. Thank you for your interest in our product services through IndiaMART. And here this is the entire message. As you can see, here you can see we have name inside brackets, but when the message will be received to the lead, they will not see this bracket, they will only see the name. Okay, this is in just our case. So this means that our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Chat Flow is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, automatically a message will be sent to that lead in the personalized format with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. So in this way, you can also very easily automate entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to your IndiaMART leads for your gym services. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.